among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, darling, kiss me. Fill my heart with song and let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, like worship and adore. In other words,
I just got back from Whole Foods and so I'm all stocked up for the weekend. I thought I would show some of the cool things that I found at the supermarket, which is like pretty cool. Spice up the palette for the weekend, and they do have quite a bit of like different and interesting things. I ended up getting this kimchi because I don't live by an Asian market, so I was like, okay, I just gotta try this out. So I got kimchi and forager yogurt, and it has probiotic in it, so it does help with the bowel movement, I will definitely tell you. And I also got this tea, turmeric ginger tea, which I've been seeing a lot of people talk about on TikTok, so I thought I'd try it out. And I also got this matcha-full matcha granola, which I have never seen before, so this is some exciting things going on this weekend. I made myself that turmeric ginger tea. It's supposedly supposed to help with digestion, inflammation, and overall your immune system health. I don't know, as you get older, like things like this, honestly, it could be gimmicky, but then kind of get me excited. I don't know why. It's probably because I've gotten older and like literally a probiotic has gotten me excited and hyped for the weekend. I'm so excited that it's spring because I am definitely a spring summer kind of gal. Winter is my hibernation season. I don't do anything besides go to work and come back home because it's way too cold to even bother. Like, I've been in New York for around 3 months now and I don't have friends. I have not made a lot of friends here yet because I don't know, being in a big city and after graduating, your chances of meeting new people has decreased because I guess like ever since you're younger, you have always had, you're always put in situations where you make new friends, meet new people, like at school and clubs. But as you've gotten older, like you don't know if your coworkers are actually your friends or are they just being nice for networking, like things like that. You don't really know. At least I haven't come into terms of it yet. I've been trying to use Bumble. I haven't met up with anyone more than once. Also, going out on the weekends, going out in New York in general is very, very, very expensive. So one, I really want to be intentional with the relationships that I form. If things don't work out, then it doesn't work out. Don't put too much energy in it. And I just want relationships, friendships to just happen naturally, right? If you put too much effort in it, then it becomes too high maintenance and it just drains a lot of your energy. And I'm an introvert, so my battery doesn't come at a 100%. It's ranging between like 60 to 70 on a good day, and sometimes I'm just like, I want to be alone. I can't complain about New York because this is definitely feels like a one-in-a-lifetime chance to be here. Definitely gonna take advantage of it and try to, I guess, live my 20s in New York. Take it easy, don't stress about socializing because things happen in a natural way, and if you put too much effort in things, if you try too hard, then it takes a turn. That's my 2 cents.
Wait, I didn't see this on Amazon.
Yeah.
And she was like, oh, let's go somewhere with friends and stuff like that before we start work.
I'll admit it, you can be such a fucking dickhead. Always bothering me when I don't need that shit.
Good night, itchy eyes. Good night,
vintagey. That gives kind of diesel.
Yeah, but the thing is, I kind of bought a bag like that recently.
I went thrifting today in Brooklyn for the first time, and wow, the stuff there is crazy. There was a lot of items, clothing items there. However, like a lot of the clothes were kind of outdated, not in trend. It was a lot of like floral, Hawaiian. It's also kind of overwhelming because I didn't mentally prep of how giant these thrift places were gonna be. The only thing I got was this skirt. I'm just gonna put it on really quickly. This is how it looks on. Like honestly, I think that I could also like just unbutton it a little bit, and like, you know that trend that you can like unflap like the buttons? Like, is this a look? I don't know. Or is this too like 2020 Dickies TikTok look? OOTD Broadway check. Today we're going to our first Broadway show, and somehow the weather in New York has become absolutely disgusting compared to yesterday. So we're gonna get brunch, then go watch Chicago, and then we'll see where the day takes us from there. Wait, we're kind of like twinning. Like you're
This is so Tammy.
like business
This is so
casual.
Tammy.
Really?
This is so Tammy. Yeah. You have the
Wait,
thing.
girl, we're wearing the same thing, but literally just in different fonts.
Wait, Tammy, is this mine or this one?
Ladies and gentlemen of the press, leave the two of us alone so we can rest.
The two of us.
Can you keep it up? There's nothing to hide. Feel my mystery, feel it.
My room has gotten so gross over the past few weeks because I've been lazy to clean it up, and there's just dust and hair everywhere. So this is my sign. As I'm doing my face mask, I recently went home and I got all my spring clothes from home over here. So I'm just going to be reorganizing basically my entire room, my entire wardrobe, switching out the winter and spring clothes because it's getting warmer. Thank gosh.
Take your shoes off, hang your coat, but just remember what I said. All my thoughts have
You might find me crazy if I really told
alarm for 5 a.m.
Alright, your alarm set for tomorrow at 5 a.m.
Hey Google, turn on humidifier.
Sure, turning humidifier on.
Hey Google, turn off blend.